Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. So we all know if you make a bag, handle is what make it useful and beautiful. Today I'll teach you the quickest and the simple way to make one. Let's get into the video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, share to friends and loved ones that may find this video helpful. Let's get started. I'm going to start with these pearls over here on my table. They are in 8mm and I'm going to string 4 on the line, 4 flower beading. That's what we are going to do, 4 flower beading. So I'm going to string 4 on the line. Like this. Then I'm going to hold one end of my line and go through the last bead and pull down. Like this. And now on my line, each line I'm going to add one bead on it. This is 4 flower beading we are making over here. Like this. Cross into the bead and pull. This is 2 flowers. We are going to repeat the same thing over here. I put one bead on each line and I'm crossing it into the third one. I'm crossing both ends of my line into the third bead and pull. I'm adding another one over here like this. I'm crossing my 2 ends into this bead and pull. This is 4 flowers. We make 4 flowers already. This is how it is. It's how it's looking like. So this is 4 flowers that we made already, 3, 4. So we are going to continue to make it long. I made 22 over here. This is 22, but it depends on you. This is 22 long. It depends on you how long you want the handle to be. Then you make it long like that. Let's make this simple one to show you the technique to use to do it. So on this line, I'm going to add 3 beads to my line. 3 beads. Then I'm going to hold the other end of my line and cross into it. That way, my line turns to the side so I can continue my second row. This is how it's looking like. You can make your handle, how long you want it, make it long. Okay, then there's this line, 3 beads. Cross and pull. Now this line into the next bead. And I'm going to add 2 beads to my other line. This like this. Pull down. I'm going to go through the next bead. This is how it's looking like into the next bead. And I'm adding 2 beads. Like this into the next bead. Add 2 beads. I'm going to go to the next bead again. Two bead. So over here, this is how it's looking like. This is the second row that we've started. 2 rows. We're going to continue and complete this. Continue round, continue, and then complete this one. Then and turn again and make 3 rows. Yeah, this is 2. When we complete this, we are going to make the third row again. 1, 2, 3. We are going to make 3 rows. Okay, so complete, turn, and make another row again. Like this. This is 3 rows that we make. 1, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to fold. Here's my fresh line. I'm going to put it on the edge bead over here. I'm going to pull my line through this bead, the edge bead. Then I'm going to add one bead onto my line like this. Pull down. Then hold the line and go through the edge bead on the opposite side and pull. Now take another bead, pull both ends of your line into the bead and pull like this. So simple and easy. Now this line into the next bead. And I'm going to hold the other line on the opposite side and pull through the next bead like this. So my line, both lines are on the opposite side of each other. Then I'm going to take one bead, cross both ends of my line into it and pull into the next bead. This line into the next bead. Pull through and pull through the bead. I'm going to take one bead, cross both ends of my line into the bead and pull. And if you are doing it, make sure you're pulling your line tight and make it nice and neat. Pull through. I'm going to go through the opposite one. And there is a way you can weave. As you weave the bag, you weave the handle together with the bag. And that one too, I'll show you how to do it in another video. But let's do this simple one first before we do the other one. So this is what we are going to repeat. Do the same thing, go through the beads. This is how it's looking like. So we are going to repeat the same way until we complete the row. Continue to complete the row. Go through the next bead and pull your line through the bead and pull into the next bead and cross both ends of your line into the bead and pull. This is the simple and the easy way to do this. A beginner can do this. There you have it. This is your handle. Make sure the rest of the line, pull it through, weave it into the bead and make it nice, strong and tight. So I'm just pulling the rest of my line into the bead over here before I trim the rest off. Make sure you do yours to the same. And your handle is going to look beautiful. If you have different colors of bead you want to mix it. It's very beautiful too. So this is how the simple way you can make your handle. This is the simple way you do it. A beginner can do this. Someone who has never touched bead before can make this. It's very easy and simple to do. So here I'm just weaving the rest of the line into the bead, then I trim it off. There you have it. This is your handle. You use it to fix on your bag. Make it as long as you want, how you desire your length to be. Thank you for watching. I thank you for your time. And please don't forget to turn on your notification for any new video I'll be uploading. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.